Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word cask in depth. First, the definition. Cask means a large barrel used for storing liquids, especially alcoholic beverages. Think of it simply as a big wooden container holding your favorite drinks. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Cask traces back to the Middle English word cask, borrowed from Old French in the 14th century. Over time, it's been used by brewers and coopers in Europe. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use cask in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The brewery aged the whiskey in a wooden cask for several years to enhance its flavor. Correct example 2. She stored the olive oil in an old cask to keep it fresh. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to cask the coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using cask correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Cask means a large barrel used for storing liquids, especially alcoholic beverages. It comes from the Middle English word cask, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with cask down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.